So for the structural integrity, we have these 4 main beams, which with the eye hook comprise the main structure of the car. These beams go across, and so they create this minimalistic design that is also structurally strong because there are less parts that can break. Additionally, we reinforced it with a lot of glue for structural integrity, and overall the minimalistic design prevents breakage.
After that, the vehicle's attractiveness, it's a very minimalistic design with paint. With the paint you can see with the front being red and the back being all yellow, which tries to give its design, as well as these extra pillars coming up, but you won't see those since the solar panel will be on top.
Okay, so for our solar panel, basically the way the solar panel works is that photons from the sun hit the solar panel. They essentially energize electrons in the semiconductor material that's in the solar panel, and electrons kind of get energized. They jump from the valence to conductive band, and there are these things called electron hole pairs, which are separated into positive charges, which are the holes, and the negative, which are the electrons. And if you connect them, a circuit flows, and we can use this circuit to power the motor. Now, one application of this is in the low, no-carbon future, which we are aiming to achieve. Once solar panels become more efficient, we'll be able to power real cars with these, as this little project is trying to describe. Additionally, we have had some experiments with the solar panel, and we found that around an angle of 30 degrees was optimal. And this angle, we did multiple experiments, and so this angle and it will help us. Nolan will talk to you about how the time of day we can adjust depending on the time of day for the maximum power.
So the integration of the solar panel is with these, like I said, and so the solar panel will be on an angle sort of like this, sort of like on a angle right here, and this will allow us to adjust it depending on where the sun is. So if we want it to be higher, we could do this. If the sun is high, we can sort of do this to make it go lower, more flat. And if the sun is lower in the sky, we could do this so it's more pointed at it.
Alignment and balance. So as you can see, we have these 2 planks, and braced across them, the 2 main planks are the planks for our wheels. As you can see, it's symmetrical not only across the center like this, but also across the side like this. So it's symmetrical in 2 different ways, which we thought really helps the car in going straight. Because we have a light car, if the car was not symmetrical, it would kind of veer to one side because of the weight imbalance. But luckily, we planned everything out so that the motor and battery balance each other, the planks are balanced, and these 2 pillars balance each other. Okay, so for the recycled component of our car, we decided to make the front out of bottle caps and plastic straws. This is all recycled, so this helps the planet. Additionally, we have a pipe cleaner in the back as part of our car, and overall we incorporated these recycled elements into our car.